Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change watermark image in Apple Keynote. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Keynote software. We can see this slide included the watermark. You want to change the image, select the watermark image and you go to the arrange menu. You see the lock option or unlock. Your watermark is locked, you can unlock this. Then go to the image option. Then click this replace option. We can see here the replace option. Now I select this image and click OK. Then go back again the arrange option and lock this. Now we can see we changed the watermark image in Apple Keynote very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.